Hi, in this video we are gonna learn about logical operators. To combine the result of a relational expression, use a logical operators. So we have these three logical operators: and, or, and not. So let's declare a variable first, boolean. Boolean result equal to 3 less than 5, and this double ampersand symbol will use for and. 2 greater than 15. So in this case, this left expression 3 less than 5, it will return true because 3 is less than 5, and 2 greater than 15, this will evaluate to false because 2 is not a greater than 15. So this will return true and this will return false. So true and false and will return true when both expressions are true. So and will return true when both the expressions are true, but in this case the first expression will evaluate to true and second will evaluate to false. So true and false will return. So let's see what's the result. So system.out.println result. So the output is false because in case of and will return true only when both the expression are true, but in this case this first expression is evaluated to true and second is false. So true and false will return a result as a false. Next we have a result equal to 3 less than 5. For or we'll use these two pipe symbol, and 2 greater than 15, or will return true if either or both expression are true. So in case of or, will return true if either or both expressions are true, but in this case the first expression will evaluate to true or the second will return a false. But in case of or, it will return true if either or both expressions are true. So let's see the result. So in this case, it will return the value true, because in case of or, either or both the expressions are true, then it will return true. Next we have not. So result equal to not 3 less than 5. So not turns a Boolean value into its opposite value. So not turns a Boolean value into its opposite value. So in this case, 3 less than 5. So this is true. So not true will return a value as false. Let's see the result. Yes, so not turns a Boolean value into its opposite value. So opposite to true is false. So the result is false. Let's see some more example using these logical operators. So we have this out. Let's say logical and for and we'll use this double ampersand, as we know. This out. Let's say false and false equal to plus false and false. So in case of AND, will return true when both expressions are true, but in this case we are writing false and false, so it will return false. False and false, the result is false. True and false will evaluate to false. True and false is false. And true and true in this case both the expressions are evaluated to true, so and will return true when both the expressions are true. So in this case both the expressions are true, so it will return true. Let's see the result. True and true will return true. False and true will return false. because in case of AND, it will return true only when both expressions are true. And next we have logical OR operator, and for OR we'll use these two pipe symbols. So false or false will return to false, as it will return true if either or both expressions are true, but in this case both the expressions are false, so it will return false. True or true, true or false, true or false will return true, because if either or both are true, then it will return true. So in this case it will return true. And true or true will also return true, because in this case both the expressions are true. False or true will also return true, because in this case the second expression is true. Let's see the result. False or false is false. True or false will return true. True or true will return true. False or true will return true. Next we have NOT operator. Logical NOT operator. For NOT we'll use this exclamation sign. Sys out not true plus not true so not turns a Boolean value into its opposite value. That means not true will return false. And not false will return opposite to false, that is true. So let's see the result. Not true is false and not false will return true. So not turns a Boolean value into its opposite value. So thanks for watching.